Hey trader, I'm Loaded Forex, aka no signal, no entry. Everything changed for me when I started using Fibonacci as part of my entry confluence before I execute my position. In today's video, I will teach you how to use Fibonacci as a confluence to give 100% win rate. And if that sounds good, click the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button, and I will see you after the intro. Fibonacci is one of the most powerful tools I use all the time as confluence to back up my market trading sentiment. Looking at the market right now, you can see that the structure is bullish from this higher high, higher low, higher high. When you are in a bullish market, you start the establishment of the Fibonacci from the last higher low to the last higher high. One of the strong level of Fibonacci that I love to use all the time is 61.80% and 78.80%. Whenever the price action is at the point of interest and you have established your Fibonacci, the next thing you have to do, focus on 61.8% and 78.6%. I love these two Fibonacci levels because they hold the price action most of the time. When the sellers were giving us this retracement phase, the moment the price action sold down with this high bearish candlestick pattern, the next formation of candlestick pattern form doji, right? And this doji represent bullish reversal candlestick pattern, which represent the presence of buyers ready to take charge of the market. If you look at the formation of the next candlestick, you realize that this doji gave birth to this high momentum candlestick pattern. This candlestick represents hammer, and the formation of this steady candlestick here represents morning star. Whenever you see this morning star at the point of interest in conjunction with Fibonacci 61.80%, execute the trade without hesitation. That is what I use Fibonacci to do all the time. Place my trade here, then I target the next extension of the Fibonacci retracement level. Boom, price smashed our take profit. If you want to learn more from me and also get access to my weekly signals on Telegram community, click on this link. It will take you to my Telegram channel where you can get access to other Forex educational materials on my Telegram community channel. Don't forget to click on the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you can get notification whenever we upload another exclusive Forex video like this. See you next time, guys.